Dear children, very good morning to all. Are you fine? I believe that you are doing well by the grace of God. Now we'll discuss about the prose Earth the Desolated War. Last class we saw about first three paragraph. I say about that paragraph story. This story was imaginary because the year is given in story is 2068. The people have destroyed the earth. There is no place to live in it. So they started moving into Mars. The heroine of the story, Ariyumadi, and her family also moved to Mars. On her birthday, her grandfather was coming to her house. On seeing him, she was surprised because he thought that he won't come to her birthday. Both of them went to vegetation lab. When he is younger age, he ate tasty carrot on the earth, but in the Mars there is no tasty carrot. So Ariyumadi asked eagerly to her grandpa to say about the earth. Let us see about this paragraph. Now the grandfather was sad, like he is missing the earth. He said, the earth had fertile soil, so the fruits and vegetables grown were healthy and tasty. The grandfather was sad because he missing the earth. The earth had fertile soil, so the fruits and vegetables grown were healthy and tasty. She asked, but I learned that humans used chemical fertilizer and polluted the soil. Here we get unpolluted food and water. Is that correct? On hearing from her grandfather, she said that human used chemical fertilizer and polluted soil in the earth. But in the Mars, we get food and water unpolluted. Is it okay? She is asking to grandfather. Say, what is the meaning of fertile? What is the meaning of fertile? Fruitful. What is the meaning of fertile? Fruitful. Grandfather laughed. Already I told you these fruits and vegetables and water are not same as in the earth. They are not real. He is telling whatever it has been Mars is not real. Everything is artificial. We cannot get whatever we want. We cannot live on Mars. Dear children, you are seeing these and all vegetation herb which are growing in the Mars is called vegetation herb. These vegetation herb growing artificially in the Mars. Already we know these fruits and vegetables which are growing in the earth. These fruits and vegetables growing naturally in the earth. Are you exclaimed? Even the water? What is the meaning of exclaimed? Surprised. Exclaimed, surprised. What is the meaning of exclaimed? Surprised. Are you exclaimed? Even the water. The water also artificial? She said, of course. So grandpa replied, yes. In the earth we get water from rain. It was natural. In the earth where you get water from rain. It was free and natural. But in the Mars we get water from burning fuel. What is the meaning of fuels? An energy source for engine. What is the meaning of fuels? An energy source for engine. An energy source for engine. What is the meaning of fuel? An energy source for engines. Say in the Mars, how do you get water? From burning fuels. She said, Grandpa, enough of your story about earth. I know that life there was easy, but here survival is very difficult. He replied, Yes, my dear, adapting to Mars is difficult. What is the meaning of survival? To living. What is the meaning of adapting? Modify. What is the meaning of survival? To living. To living. What is the meaning of adapting? Modify. Modify. We will live our life very easily on the earth, but in the Mars, it is very difficult to survive. In Mars, adapting our life, it is very difficult. In the Mars, we are fighting for everything. For example, food, water and air, etc. But in the earth, God has given naturally for us, which we got easily. He continued, in the earth, we did not need a parachute or an oxygen cylinder. Yes, in the earth we did not need a parachute or oxygen cylinder, but in the Mars we need a parachute or an oxygen cylinder because there is no air to breathe. This is a parachute. It is used in the space. This is a parachute. It is a kind of dress. It is used in the Mars. This is a oxygen cylinder. It is attached with a parachute. It is filled with the oxygen. Also, the ears are longer here, and also their ears longer in the Mars. Aryu said, Yes, Grandpa, in Mars 687 days make a year. The Mars 687 days make a year. But in the earth 365 days make a year. He smiled. Haha, yes, you would be 18 years old on the earth now. Then Aryu would be 18 years now on the earth. But in the Mars she has 9 years old. Grandpa thought to himself, we destroyed our home, the home that nature had offered us. Now we are trying to make this home. Grandpa did not say anything. He was thinking in himself. People are destroyed our home, that is earth. God gifted us. But we are trying to live in Mars. Everything are artificial. This picture showing how the people are living in the Mars. They are wearing parachute and an oxygen cylinder. Aryu looked at him and said, Don't worry, Grandpa. The scientists are trying to terraform the Mars. What is the meaning of scientist? An expert in science. On expert in science. Terraform. What is the meaning of terraform? What is the meaning of terraform? Change the environment. Change the environment. Change the environment. Suddenly, Aryu looked at Grandpa and said that, Not to worry, Grandpa, the scientists are trying to terraform the Mars. He said, True, but nothing can be the earth. Grandpa said that whatever Aryu was saying is true, but it's not like the earth. The earth is our true home. Earth is our true home. Aryu looked at him and said, "Don't worry, Grandpa. The scientists are trying to terraform the Mars." Say, what is the meaning of scientist? An expert in science. Terraform means change the environment. Change the environment. Suddenly, Aryu looked at Grandpa and said, "Not worry. The scientists are trying to terraform the Mars." He said, "True, but nothing can be the Earth. The Earth is our home." Grandpa said that whatever Aryu was saying was true, but it's not like the Earth. Really, Earth is our true home. Let us leave this for now. Today we should celebrate. At last, they decided leave this matter about Earth and Mars. They started to celebrate Aryumadi's birthday. He is a scientist. He is trying to terraform the Mars. Terraforming change the environment. What is the moral we learn from this story? Yes, we should not destroy the earth. Whatever you do, we should not cut the plants and trees. We should not pollute the water pollution, air pollution and noise pollution. We should save our earth. Dear children, shall I ask some question from the lesson? First one, fill in the blanks. The man destroyed the earth. The man destroyed the earth. In earth, we get water from rain. In Mars, dash days make a year. 687 days make a year. In Mars, dash days make a year. In Mars, 687 days make a year. You don't need dash and dash in the earth. We don't need parachute or oxygen cylinder in the earth. Fruits and vegetables and water in the Mars are not real. Answer the following questions. How water is produced in Mars? Water is produced in Mars. Water is produced in Mars by burning fuels. How water is produced in Mars? Water is produced in Mars by burning fuels. In this story, what happened to the earth? The earth was polluted and destroyed by the man. What should be done to save our earth? We should stop using lot of chemical fertilizers. Say, what is the meaning of fertile? Fruitful. Say, exclaimed means surprised. Fuel means an energy source for engines. Survival, to living. Adapting, modify. Scientist and expert in science. Terraform, change the environment. Dear children, this lesson is very important and very useful about to know the earth and Mars. So, take your notebook and write this, fill in the blanks and answer the following question and the meanings in your notebook. Thank you children.